Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of zoom out on like your camera in Heartopia. So this is the furthest it's like the farthest it's going to like zoom out. As you can see, it can't zoom out anymore. This is like the farthest it will go. Go to your watch and go to settings, go to camera, and under the view settings, you'll see field of view. If you slide it to the left, it's going to zoom out more. If you slide it to the right, it's going to zoom in more. Here I'll show you if it's to the very right. This is what it looks like when you open your camera. And this is what it looks like if you put the field of view to the very left. You can kind of zoom out a little bit more, as you can see. Um, if you want to adjust the settings to like get back to the default, you can just restore it here. But I like it a little bit to the left, so it's easier for me to take pictures of kind of like everything around me. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.